Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Action Center missing or not showing on Windows 10 taskbar. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Click Turn System Icons on or off. Turn on Action Center. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.